What drove me to get certified in ARGUS Enterprise was the fact that I was pretty much self-taught in ARGUS over the past 2 or 3 years. But I never really knew everything that ARGUS had to offer. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it a goal of myself to go there, go to training, learn to see what I'm missing out and how I can make myself more efficient.
You want to go to the source of who knows the software the best, and you can get any question answered that you need to. There's a workbook that they go through step by step the first day of training, and then on the second day there's a case study where you can apply everything that you learned the first day.
Just being in the classroom surrounded by like-minded people like me, trying to learn the software better, whether you're very good at the program or just beginning. I mean, it's not just reading out of a textbook. In the first 30 minutes, I mean, it was a great refresher in hotkeys that I had forgotten about, whether it's moving properties up and down the line. I mean, you're thinking, how did I not use this before?
It's great to try to learn everything yourself, but if someone can help walk you through it and teach you the tricks in the trade, whether that means you're doing an ARGUS certification or an ARGUS course, having this in your toolkit will make you much more marketable in the industry as a whole. It doesn't matter if you're underwriting domestically in the US or you want to work internationally. It's a global product.
There's so much more that you can do with ARGUS that you really realize, and that's what I learned in the class. There's all those little shortcuts that you find out, oh, that saves me 10 minutes here, oh, that could save me 5 minutes here, and it adds up and it makes you more efficient and it gives you more time to actually analyze your results than actually entering the data.
You don't get a lot of experience or exposure to that in basic real estate courses. It's got to be specific, like ARGUS Enterprise.
It's going to make your job a lot more easier, it's going to make your job a lot more efficient, and at the end of the day, your pro formas and your modeling is going to be a lot more accurate than what you're doing with an Excel or anything else. So I would highly recommend AE to those within the industry.
Once I did start getting into ARGUS Enterprise, it really opened my eyes on how important it can be and how much, more fulfilling the job can be.